It's Laura.
Oh, and what are we doing today?
Camping.
We're camping. We are?
We're doing a hair video today.
Wow. Okay, cool.
My mom's gonna show you
How she does my hair.
how she does my hair.
We're gonna show them how to do little girls' hair, especially if they have bangs for dance class. Right now, you know, everyone's enrolling their kids in dance class. So they take these girls from ages 2 and up, and this video is in no way sponsored. This video is in no way sponsored. It's just genuine love and admiration I have for the school. I'll link the school in the description below. So if you want some kind of activity where your kid really kind of has fun, learns something, but actually like progresses really well, and is a serious activity where, you know, they, at least if the child has the aptitude for that skill, they really take them to elite levels. I highly recommend this school. All right, so I'm gonna do 2 very simple styles. One, a super simple bun. And it's like kind of silly, like why would you show how to do a bun? Everybody knows how to do a bun. I just wanna show you how to get all the wispy baby hairs out of their face. And so, super simple, wet brush. This is the brand name is actually Wet Brush. And then a fine comb. Doesn't have to be exactly like this. Products that give me a little bit of hold just for the day. It's gonna be like a thick, deep mask. Right, so we're gonna start, you can tell I use it a lot, so we're gonna start with just like, you know, maybe that's gonna be a quarter size amount. And again, she has bangs, right? So you're gonna get the bangs to come all the way up at the roots. So the whole point is to get the wispy hairs up, okay? So right around the hairline, that's what's gonna matter the most. So I'm just kind of depositing on the hairline. Now you're just trying to really get them to go flat. Now, I guess the point of doing this video is that a lot of people may think sending their kid to dance class really perfectly presentable would be way too much effort for like a 3-year-old, 4 or 5-year-old. And it's not at all. So I'm just doing it to show you how simple it is and how quick it is. And exactly what products I would use. So I'm trying to get this to go, you know, in a nice symmetrical without all these like parts, right? But I just need a little bit more product. But at least now if I even let this go, it kind of stays in this place. So basically half the work is done for me. I'm just gonna get more product. And I'm just getting product on. Again, this is a conditioner. Super, super healthy for your child's hair. So, I know, Mom's so boring. So this way, it just seems like she has 0 bangs and it's gonna get out of the way. I love bangs for little girls. I love, love bangs. It completely changed her from a baby to a toddler look. So this is nothing special. Like I'm taking a very loose elastic. I should have showed you this before. I'll show you when I take it out. So I'm just doing a regular ponytail. And for me, this is the absolute easiest way. So look, at the very last turn, you're about to do no more, right? Just don't pull it all the way out and just kind of fluff it out, okay? Now take these ends, and you could do a variety of things. You could take these ends and you could braid them. You could twist them, right? I'm just gonna twist it a little and go around. This is absolutely no skill required. This is like something any dad who really doesn't know, or mom, anybody, you know, has no hair skills could definitely pull together. And will it be super perfect, super tight every time? No, but you're gonna get better every time. So here's another tiny elastic. Again, I do recommend that you don't use this. I literally just realized I only have this down here. And also getting something the color of their hair would definitely be ideal. Good job! That was adorable.
Você faz o que eu faço.
So, let's take from the top where we had this hair in a ponytail, right? All right, so I'm gonna take that one ponytail, do 4 quadrants. So ear to the middle of the head, ear to the middle of the head, and then all the way down through the back. So you have 4 quadrants, and tie them all so they go backwards. So you stand behind the child. Ready? Here we go. Just take the first part of a comb meet your fingers right where that line is and part it, okay? You could use this just for a regular, super simple day of school for your toddler. Again, all I want to show you is how to get this hair to stay up with good products, so at least that you don't feel like, oh my gosh, I'm damaging my child's hair, right? So I'm thinking, you know, a lot of dads who help out and do a lot at home could really benefit from this. So tiny little elastic. Absolutely do take a thicker elastic for thicker hair. So I'm just pushing this out of the way. Conditioner all over the hairline. So now that we have these 4 little ones done, I find it easier to do the 4 individually and then just take this and tie it together. But you could totally have tied it right when you did the back one, right? So you could just have technically 1 elastic here, but I just find it easier. Now, one little trick here, you see her bangs are kind of trying to come out, right? So I'm just gonna twist this guy backwards, okay? So that the bangs stay underneath. So super simple tricks for people who are not hairstylists. And yes, she does have a highlight, courtesy of Fernanda's Beauty Salon. So thank you guys so much for watching. And these were honestly 2 super simple, doable things. I just want you to have a video out there that is like, oh, that is like so simple. Can you say bye to YouTube?
I love you.
Oh, finally. Can you say bye to YouTube?